Well, hello everybody. This is Nish with KolorPop Designz, and I am back with another video. So don't worry, these are some before pics of how my backyard used to look last year. And since we're going into the fall season, I had to hurry up and get this video out to you guys, just to give you some inspo for next spring. Sorry it's so late, but I'm gonna make it worth your while. I'm gonna do what it do, boo. So I want to bore you guys with a lot of me just sweeping around, but what I'm just doing is I'm just trying to clean up this rug a little bit before I remove it from my space and get it on out of there. It's been used, it's gone. No, but for real. So I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this up, and I'm just gonna have you guys kind of almost like a patio tour. So here are my chairs from last year. They're all raggedy and dirty, but we're just going to clean them up real good, give them a fresh coat of primer, and then I am going to stain these bad boys and add them to the decor. If you guys want to see a video of how I reupholstered these bench stools, just let me know down in the comment box and I can go ahead and see if I can make it happen for you guys. I didn't want to make this video too long. It was so many different DIYs that I did to complete this look, but I'm hoping you guys like it so far.